The second half of the semester was extremely helpful in understanding journalistic styles more and how to make news stories. I enjoyed learning more about different media styles and the approaches that can be taken through them, such as different broadcasting styles and the ways in which different news channels will speak to different audiences. In the first half of the semester, I was struggling to understand how to write news stories in the correct format. It was difficult for me as I am so used to writing in the style of an essay instead of short, blunt sentences. I feel that in the second half of the semester, I became a bit more familiar with that style of writing, and it was extremely helpful having feedback from our last assignment to use as help. A comment on my last assignment was that my captions could have more depth. So in these last two news stories, I had that as a focus to work on and become more familiar with. I also gained feedback on a story needing to be newsworthy and that it is to be new. This was a challenge for me, and my final two stories potentially lack that factor, and that is something that I need to work on. In relation to that point, I can be quite shy, which is a problem when sourcing news stories and in turn finding a news story with that hook. I enjoyed the second half of this semester, and I have really enjoyed news production because it is very practical and you can see that what we are learning is really applying to what we hope to be doing in our career.